This is going to be a different and fun trip. Saidi Rahan. That is Peer Ki Gali, the kind of roads I wanted to ride. Look at where Google Maps is taking us.
Feels like today I'm shuffling back.
I mean, I never stayed on a boat. These are some of the other guys. GoPro! That looks good. One of the best views of Dal Lake. Been here last time, but I didn't get this view. All set to leave. I'm the one delaying the group. Chalo, let's go. Angry Bird. Quick history fact about this location. Wow, nice. This is a palace built by Maharaja Hari Singh himself. This is an 19th century palace. If you are not aware of Maharaja Hari Singh, I think he's the last king of Jammu and Kashmir. Now their grandsons manage this place. So today's ride is around 350 kilometers to Srinagar, but we're taking the old Mughal road, and this is an entirely new route. So that was one exciting bit about this trip. I've been to Srinagar, Gulmarg, Pahalgam, some of the places we're going, but I haven't been to Dawar and Kishtwar, and also some of the routes that we're going to take. So 70 to 80% of this trip is entirely new to me, and in that regard I am super excited about the ride. And when you have a group and a lead, you don't need to worry about navigation as such. So no tension for nahi hai. And take a look at the moon. It was one of the clearest moons last night. And yeah, about last night, man, when I walked into the hotel, just the place itself looked so beautiful. The hotel, besides the palace or the museum, is more like a 3-star hotel. It needs a bit of upkeep, but the best things were the food and the open garden area were really nice. That's something to check out for. And after checking into the hotel, I was just chilling with the guys, Samar, Adish and Ajaz, whom I'll introduce again when we stop for a break, are the same ones who rode with me to Spiti. The rest of them are new, and it's always nice to meet new riders in an organized trip like this, because again, it's about stories and connecting with people. And we have a nice compact group. It's not a huge group like 20-30 riders. The advantage with 6 riders is you go faster, you get less breaks. Another advantage of having an organized ride is you don't need to carry your bags. Look at the time and the sunlight. 5:30. Like, sunrise was at 5 o'clock. First bit of off-road aa gaya. And with this construction off-road, one should be careful not to get any upset or anything. Rajouri 157, that would be the first landmark. After that, weather will be much better, because yesterday it was almost close to 40 degrees here. I'll show you the bikes that are lined up and also the riders as we go through the ride. But yeah, this is going to be a different and fun trip. First sighting in this trip. Little far, at least 2-3 hours away. They look so close, but so far. We have crossed Rajouri like 20 minutes back, but most of this route is like this. You get a nice stretch and then off-road. Pikes Peak mein with Olin suspension, electronic, that too. I'm doing fine, but the bike I hope is doing fine. It's not meant for off-roads at all. Small highway, bad bumps and all are fine. Off-roads like these, I just hope this takes up all the stuff. But constant sitting and standing is tiring me out more than anything. This is unending here. I have fork seals to protect any leakages, because that can happen. The reason we're taking this route is we wanted to go through Pir Panjal Pass and the old Mughal road instead of the regular Jammu Srinagar highway. We wanted to cross Rajouri and enter the mountains before 10, because it's, after 9-10 this is getting quite hot. Anything above 34 would be tiring and stressful. Small detour after Rajouri because apparently there's no fuel for 70-80 kilometers. Not for my bike. I think I have another 100 kilometers of range. For the scramblers, they just topped it up by 2 liters just to be on the safe side. Such a nice, peaceful area. A valley, some mountains. Oh, interesting route. You see the route up there? We need to get to that route. Waiting for the photographer to go ahead so that we can get some photos of our dirty bikes. Man, so much of dust. I clean this phone and look at the amount of dust here. Clearest view of the snow-capped mountains. I know it might look tiny on the GoPro, but I'll decrease the aspect ratio so you get an idea of what we see. Look at the color of the leaves. Spring is just done, so summer is here. So they're all turning into green. Again, they'll fall and change to yellow again in autumn before they drop off in the winter. Backwards, na?
Huh?
Us taraf, na?
No, we are taking bypass straight to the petrol pump. So we'll gas up and then go ahead.
Okay, so this is the town of Surankot, where we take if you go straight you'll get Poonch, and I think that's the last big town before the border. At Surankot, if you take right, it's 150 kilometers to Srinagar, but we're just going on the bypass to get some fuel and then head to Srinagar directly. I think this is our lunch break. This is the condition of the road for the last 20 minutes and I'm feeling bad for the bike. These are not the conditions for a bike speak here. Some occasional bits are fun and adventurous, but for this long, the 140 kilometers to Srinagar, it's gonna take some time if the road is like this. Sidey rahan. No, you want to go fast. Eat my dust. After almost 30 kilometers of that bad stretch, finally we got some respite with this. This is the nicer side of the old Mughal road. Story goes that Mughals traveled on this road. So some historic context. Do I feel excited that I'm riding on this road? Nah. That 10 kilometer off-road stretch was probably a connecting road, not part of this road. Still, yeah, that spoiled the whole experience. This feels more like the Kashmir I was hoping and waiting for. Snow on the mountains decreased a bit, but still reasonable, and the roads and the greenery are typical Kashmir. Let's see what's exciting about this route. So far the route seems okay, on par with typical Kashmir, Spiti, Leh roads. That snow is freshly getting melted and turning into a stream. कहाँ से आप?
Jammu.
अच्छा. This bike and the livery gets quite a bit of attention. Another 50 kilometers to Shopian, and another after that another 50 to Srinagar. Unlike my last visit to Srinagar, we are staying in a houseboat. First experience of houseboat in Dal Lake. Look at this road here to Pir Ki Gali. We are like 2 kilometers from Pir Ki Gali. This reminds me of old Khardungla, but here somehow it's just not scenic. It looks very dirty. I'm just trying to imagine Mughals traveling by horses in these mountains, in these ranges when there were no roads. Imagine how challenging, tough that would have been. Another reason why this roads like this is because in winter months this is fully covered with snow. Military uses equipment to clean these roads, but then they can only maintain it so much every year, na? And this is the first time in this entire trip the temperature has gone to 17, the lowest It doesn't feel 17 here. Feels more like 25, 27. और कितना ऑफ रोड है यार. That is Pir Ki Gali. I think it's a prayer area. Decent crowd, but this is the view. Some mountains to trek. Decent bit of snow and a dargah or a mosque. I'm not sure. I need to double check. Not bad. Reminds me a bit of Nathula. Sir ji, वो दरगाह है या मॉस्क है? दरगाह है. अच्छा. We'll spend some time here and then off to Srinagar. This is free like Prasad. Became famous because the Mughals traveled through this route to India. There is a Baba called Pir Baba who used to be at this dargah, and there are some stories behind this. People are trekking. Some non-veg skewers here. Some of us are having coffee here. Overlanding coffee. So the road from Pir Ki Gali to Shopian and then Srinagar is apparently good. Looks like it is a good road. So what they assumed is people will come from Srinagar, visit this place and go back to Srinagar. They wouldn't usually take that old Mughal road to Jammu, because if I have to do it again, I would skip it, man. I mean, till at least the construction is done. This is the kind of roads I wanted to ride in this Kashmir trip. Nice, expansive green valleys, winding roads. We reached Srinagar by 7:30, but because there's so much of traffic at Dal Lake, we decided to stop at a cafe. Even after stopping for 1.5-2 hours, there was no respite. Look at where Google Maps is taking us to avoid this traffic jam. Literally gullies. भैया थोड़ा साइड दे दो ना सबको. Adventure. Not a fan of the route till Pir Ki Gali, and then this. Yeah, be careful because they might take the tempo outs also, na. We can't squeeze all the bikes in one place. They'll pull the door, and we got this public parking lot, I guess, slightly secured than parking on the roadside. But I don't like it here for 2 nights. Ghost boat. Koi nahi hai. Mr. Shuffle?
Yes, sir.
So much shuffling today?
Yeah, it feels like today I'm shuffling. That's what I've been doing.
Shuffling from dirt, good roads,
Good, bad roads,
traffic, heat, cold.
exactly.
अब water पे आ गया, parking ढूंढना है, non-stop adventure है ना?
Parking is still an issue.
वो तो I was this close to saying I'm booking someplace else. I don't care, bag नहीं है तो भी ठीक है, सुबह आके लेके आता हूँ. इतने होटल्स है यार ये ट्रैफिक में, especially Ducatis.
Exactly, I was thinking the
Normal
same.
bike है तो ठीक है.
And people who are quite little,
Impatient.
and they when they see the bike, they want to sit on it and XYZ, but they don't realize that if they do a small mistake, then it will cost us a lot.
Let's see.
But so far the experience was good.
But 1 night नहीं, इधर 2 night है. 1 night है तो भी I would have been okay.
In the same
I
boat,
think so.
houseboat.
हाँ. Hey guys, good morning. What a day it has been yesterday. Once we reached our gate here in Dal Lake, where we need to board the Shikara to get to our houseboat. Then when we called up the guy, we needed to also figure out parking, and he said parking is in a different location. We kind of expected Dal Lake doesn't have any parking, but we thought we'll get some secured house or something, but He took us to a private, not a private, maybe a public car parking spot or something. I just didn't feel secure leaving the bike there. So what our organizer did was he left one of the team members there with the bikes throughout the night. I'm sorry for him, but hopefully the bikes are safe. I can't see them. This is the first time I'm staying this far away from my bike while I'm out in a hotel or something. Anyway, after checking into the houseboat here, we freshened up. There was hot water, but it was coming slow and the weather was okay. It's surprisingly warm for this time of Srinagar. But let me show you the washroom. But before I give you the washroom tour, let me give you a brief tour of this huge expansive room. The wide angle would make this look much bigger on camera. Kindly mind the mess. We just crashed last night because we were so tired, man. Bags and junk, charging spot. Mind the creaking. Yeah, the whole boat shakes. Washroom, a tub, if we can use it. But look at the level of the tub. There was a interesting experience taking a shower here. Luckily we had the towel, but it was spilling anyway most of the time there. You get a view of the lake also. Let me show you that. This is something I enjoyed a bit. When you got up, this is the view I had. Especially there were some boats lined up here. It was a very nice scenic view to get up. If I'm on a bike, would I take this effort to find parking, manage getting the bags here, and also get on a shikara ride and then have some less luxuries because we're staying here 2 nights. I wish this was like one night, maybe as a one-off experience. I wish we had a bit more relaxing stay because we were so tired we just wanted to get into our hotel, take a hot shower and sleep. This was not like that. Anyway, today's agenda is very relaxed. I need to get my shoe repaired. The right heel is slowly coming off because of the heat of the exhaust. I do have backup shoe, but otherwise I think afternoon we are having some lunch at a golf place and then evening high tea at Taj and then dinner back here. So very relaxed, chill out day. But need to see how hot Srinagar is in the daytime. Evening it was okay, but seems hotter. Chalo, let's get to meet others and see how they felt about yesterday's ride. This is one of the boats and that's the hall. The room up there. This was a strange experience last night. I mean, I never stayed on a boat, not even in Kerala. Last time when me and Manukma came, we thought of doing this, but then I was not so keen. And these are the other 2 boats. And that's the gang. This is the entry for us. Oh, by the way, this is Trigun sir.
Hi.
Hi. Big rally aficionado from, 30 years, sir? Anyway, getting off these bikes was tricky, but fun. And Ajaz, you know him from the last Piti ride?
Good to see you.
How are you, man?
Good.
Getting more blacker with the bike.
I try.
These are some of the other guys in the group. You know Adish from the last Piti trip? The multi V4. Last time you were on the multi, no?
1200.
1200. So now V4 aa gaya. And
It was the Spiti ride that converted
converted
a
a
lot
lot of people to buy. What?
to
3-4 bikes?
Shomak got the V4 after that, you got the V4 after that, I got the V4 after that. Lalit got the V4 after
Yes. Samar sir was the reason for that ride. Spiti ride.
Yeah.
How was it today after yesterday's long ride?
that.
All good. I mean, for whatever the day.
I mean, he
has
had to
be.
take some trouble just to figure out the logistics and there, but
Yeah, you plan the whole day, but then there's also a lot of stuff that falls in it.
yeah.
So that's what.
We can't plan for the traffic
Yeah, I know.
that we saw yesterday. Fresh fruits. This is interesting. So we don't need to get up in the morning to see the market on the Dal Lake. Ho gaya hamara.
The market has come to
And that's Pratik, my roommate. He's Goan now, originally from Mumbai.
Originally from Mumbai,
Yes.
but now moved to Goa.
Okay, and Chinmay sir, he is from Pune too, our photographer from Mumbai. Vishnu, I saw the story. You had a scrambler icon in Cochin.
I've shot every Ducati.
Acha, you shot. That's not yours. Okay.
Because I work with Top Gear, no? So
Oh, nice.
now I'm into commercials. Now I work with all the celebrities.
But his efforts were really appreciated because he went ahead of us. We were able to catch up much faster than he anticipated. By the time I see him on a mountain, we're almost there. So I think you might have missed some shots of us because
I thought I built 3-4 kilometers. I kept on looking at the Odo. By the time I'm there, you guys are there. I was like,
And our youngest rider of the group, Mr. Shuffle Singh. Yes, that's his name. We're not making fun. That's his real name, Shuffle Singh. He's from Amritsar. Not needed. Not needed. He's a Punjabi, but he's a vegetarian.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of new stuff to know from him. We'll get to know more during the trip. Boat race. What did you see? On our way to the traffic. So collected the bike. The surprising thing was they cleaned the bike slightly, looped it, kept it nice and ready for us, which is good. This is the thing with summer. The attention to detail on few things is really good. Just checking the bikes. Good to be in a trip with him. So now the trick is to find out where I can find a shoe repairing shop. इतना जगह है. I was told इधर पास में कुछ गेट नंबर 3 के बाजू में मिल जाएगा, but I have no idea, so I have to just check with locals and go.
A few moments later.
Shoe repair work done. This is Dal Gate area. So there was just a small kid at the corner who was doing it. I felt bad because due to his family problems, he had to quit school at 5. He was into bikes too. See that kid there? He said he'll ride a bike. I said first finish studies, then I'll definitely come take you for a ride. See, it feels bad when people are denied education, man. Like, education is the bare minimum thing that can get you to a lot of places. Chalo, we'll drop this bag in the car, then head for lunch. We're heading to a golf course. Imagine the lake, a shikara ride with the snow-capped mountains in the background. This side of Dal Lake is probably the most prettiest for me. Even though it feels hot, there's nice breeze coming up. This area is so nice here. Pleasant, calm. GoPro, YouTube channel hai. YouTube channel hai.
YouTube channel.
Today's lunch is at Royal Spring Golf Course thanks to Samar. He knew someone who is a club member. He's organizing us for lunch. The last time I've been to a golf course was in US for a driving range. Not a proper course. I used to enjoy driving range back then. But such a high-end activity, golf. Wow. They do have some view. Take a look at the view of the golf course with the background of the mountains. Damn, that looks good. आप golf खेलते जी कभी?
नहीं, ऐसे कभी ड्राइव कर ली लेकिन.
अच्छा.
Never.
At least 200 एकड़ तक होगा?
नहीं ज़्यादा होगा.
You played golf before, Ritik?
Only in the driving ranges.
Driving range same.
Yeah.
वो भी US में होगा ना?
Of course.
Golf खेला सर कभी?
Yeah.
18 course, 9 course.
18 course that I used to play handicap, 12 handicap.
No idea what that means, but
In fact, I played continuously for almost 3-4 years.
nice.
दानिश भी तगड़ा.
Nice location though. What a lunch it has been. The massive, expansive golf course was just amazing to look at. And apparently there are some cottages behind the trees that you see. And I would love to stay there someday. But this time it was only the lunch, and the lunch was lovely. Basic, simple menu. They call it Vazwan. It is made by a chef for us specifically. The food was nice and tasty. Post lunch, we went to Chai Jai, my favorite place here, for Kawa and Shirmal. And after hanging out there till 4, we came back to the houseboats, chilled for 1 hour, and now we are heading to Taj for high tea. You see that property there? That's Taj. It has one of the best views of Dal Lake and it's totally worth it. Look at these water activities that are happening here. High speed boat guy having fun. Weather thanda ho gaya. At around 3-4 we could feel the heat even in the room, in the boat. Chalo, let's get to Taj and have some nice coffee. And this is our own private high tea place, but look at the view from here. Man, we've been here last time, but I didn't get this view. What you see on the camera is exactly what I'm seeing for the first time. I'm happy with how the iPhone is shooting the sunset. Look at this. And that's a view of Dal Lake. Sweet. Like weather is so pleasant, like the perfect time to be here. Let's barbecue on the lake. Samarji, how's the barbecue food?
Before I left.
Lovely? Nice experience, huh? Dal Lake mein barbecue.
That's mostly your parents.
Especially when the shikara
Your
comes.
parents use the grill.
Serve barbecue kitchen by the side. And they're serving what? Groceries, chocolate while we're coming. You were selling what? Kawa, coffee, fruits in the morning, fresh fruits.
The lady was shopping for jewelry as well.
Jewelry shopping bhi kar rahe.